Hi, I'm Victor from Marble.com TV. Today we're at this beautiful new home in Fair Lawn, New Jersey, where Marble.com has been employed to fabricate and install a brand new granite countertop. Come on in, let's check it out. We're in this beautiful new kitchen with new Colonial Gold granite with an OG edge. What we've installed today is a double bowl sink. If you take note, there are two varying edge profiles, one thick and one thin. Due to this, the faucet hole must be drilled off center. And what this does is ensure stability as well as introduce a new element into our design.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Marble.com TV for more videos.